So hello guys, in this video we'll learn that how to use a protector, and how to find an angle. Hello guys, so let's get started. So this is our projector. You can see our projector. So always to find an angle we'll use the upper part, not the downward part. This is the second part, this is the first part. So we'll use the first part. To find 80-degree angle, see 80 is there. So this is the vertical point. It's like a scale. Let let I tell you that such an example. See, this is our scale, and it has see, one, two, three, four, five. See, this is our one, the five, this is our two, and etc. 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 Okay, such as this three. So we have to find two. So this is the one. This is a two. It's also like that. So this is the 80-degree. So now to find 80-degree, I'll point out on 80-degree. See, now it's all point out on 80-degree. See, it's really very easy. Like if I want to find an angle of 50-degree, so 50 is here and it's 190. See, 50-degree. It's easy. Like if the question is that we have to find 42-degree, so what we'll do? See, this is 40, 41, 42. Now it's at 42-degree and it's really very easy. So one more example for you is that let's find in 180-degree. See, this is 180-degree. Some people confuses at 108-degree and 180-degree. So 180-degree is the downward and 108-degree is near 100. See, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 6, 7, 8. So this is 108-degree of angle. So let us start our questions. So what are our questions? So our first question is that find 90-degree. So open. So we are here. So how to find 90-degree? I have tell you now that how to find 90, 80, 70, 60. So where is 90? Here is also written 90 and upper is also written 90. So now what we'll do? Let's think. I have tell you that upper part, this whole upper part is useful and this is not useful for us now. This is useful. We this upper part help us to find the angle. See 90-degree. So now we are on 90, full on 90-degree. If there is a question that we have to find 80-degree, so we'll not go here because there is downward. We'll not go here. We'll go directly here because it's up. 80 degrees here, not here and not here. Some people are confused at this one. See, this thing, this thing, and this thing. That what we'll do now, what to do, and what to do that. So I've already tell you that this thing and this thing is really very big difference. Like see this thing is upper and it's really easy to find an angle. If we'll do like this, your teacher will directly wrong it because it's not because we are not allowed to use the downer part. We are allowed to use the upper part and the protector. So our answer is this. This is our 80 degree and this is our 90 degree. So let's move on to the next question. Let's find 22 degree. I tell you, it's really very easy. So first we'll move on to 20. This is our 20. 1, 2. Now it's solved. See, it's very easy. Now come on this one. 66. It's also very easy. This is from 6, 5, 66. So this is our angle 66 degree. So now the next question is that oh there are only three questions. May I give you one question? From my onward my question is this 169 degree. 9 degree. So how to do it? Do it. So first we'll find 160. Where is 160? 160, 160. Here is it. So 161, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Near the 170 degree angle. So I hope you understand it how to use a protector. So please, if you like my video and you understand about what is now about that how to use a protector. Oh, I have also not tell you about the angles, types of angles. So go and search on Google types of angle. Let's see. So now I'll tell you about right angle. That what is right angle? This is the right angle. I'll tell you. This one. This is acute angle less than 90 degree are acute angle. Like an example of we'll come to this one. This thing 110 is less than 990. No. So obtuse angle is greater than 90. So here we come. These my internet is so it's slow too much. These are the parts greater than 90 and these are smaller than 90. Like this is called acute angle 110, 120, 130, 100 and 90 degree is called what? Here you can see right angle. So obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is this type. Greater than 90, 70, 80, 60, 50, 40. So this is same. So last point and this point. See. This is our straight angle. So this is full 180 degree and this is our straight angle. So now straight angle reflex angle I will tell you in my next video. So full rotation angle. It's really very easy for you. Let's see. Like an example of there is a straight angle. It's a type of full rotate angle. So I hope you understand my video. Thanks for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.